what people do while solving this question. They made a mistake. Okay, so they solve it like this. First, they solve these two. First to 20 minus 20, it comes out to be 0. Then they simply multiply on 0, and then their answer comes out to be 0. But this is wrong. Wrong. But this thing is wrong. But this thing is wrong. Okay, this method is wrong. Okay, because according to the operations of PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponential, then multiplication, addition, division, subtraction. This is from left to right. So according to this, the right method would be right method is you have to solve it like this. 20 minus, first we will solve this part. For this part, we'll solve it like this part. That comes up to 20 into 400 minus 20. That ultimately comes out to be 2 minus 380. 380 minus 20. That comes out to be minus 400. So that's how you solve it. That's the correct answer.